Welcome to our channel. Today we are going to study a part of biology known as sperm cell. We are going to study this topic with questions and answers for a better understanding. The first question we have here says, the mature sex cell in an organism is best described as dash A. Enzyme, B. Gametes, C. Bilirubin, D. None of the above. In this question, the correct answer is B. Gamete. A gamete is a mature sex cell found in an organism. The next question says, which of the following is a male gamete? A. Sperm cell, B. Egg cell, C. Enzyme, D. None of the above. In this question, the correct answer is A. Sperm cell. So sperm cell is a gamete found in male organisms such as human beings, but egg cell is a female gamete. So sperm cell is not found in female, and egg cell is not found in male. So in human beings, sperm cell is an example of a gamete and egg cell is an example of a gamete. But sperm cell is found in male human being and egg cell is found in female human being. The next question says, the process whereby sperm cells are produced is called dash A. Hemolysis, B. Spermatogenesis, C. Ovulation, D. Menstruation. In this question, the correct answer is B. Spermatogenesis. This spermatogenesis is the process used by the body in production of sperm cells. The next question says, sperm cells are also called dash A. Egg cells, B. Zygote, C. Spermatozoa, D. Rock. In this question, the correct answer is C. Spermatozoa. So sperm cells can also be called spermatozoa. So in science, when someone is talking about spermatozoa, the person is talking about sperm cells. The next question says, the energy needed by a sperm cell for moving from the testis to the oviduct is made available by its parts called dash A. Acrosome, B. Mitochondrion, C. Nucleus, D. Cytoplasm. In this question, the correct answer is B. Mitochondrion. The mitochondrion is an organelle in cells that help for energy production. So sperm cells is one of the cells in the body that has this structure called mitochondrion. So studies have shown that the sperm cells contain a lot of mitochondria compared to many cells in the body. So what these mitochondria do is that it is the parts of a sperm cell where energy production takes place. It is the parts where respiration that will lead to energy production take place. So if anything goes wrong in the mitochondrion parts of a sperm cell, energy production will be affected negatively. So this mitochondrion ensures that energy is made available for sperm cells so that they can move from one place to another. The next question says, the ability of a sperm cell to move from one place to another is best described as dash A. Spermatogenesis. B. Protozoa. C. Spermatozoa. D. Motility. In this question, the correct answer is D. Motility. Motility is the ability of a sperm cell to make a movement. It is the ability of a sperm cell to move from one place to another. So if a sperm cell has the ability to move from one place to another, that sperm cell is said to be motile. The next question says, a thin sac in a sperm cell that contains enzyme which digests the cell membrane of the ovum for easy penetration of the head of the sperm cell is called dash. A. Cytoplasm. B. Acrosome. C. Nucleus. D. Tail. In this question, the correct answer is B. Acrosome. This acrosome is a structure in a sperm cell that has some enzymes which break down cell membrane of the egg cell of a woman in order to ensure easy penetration of the head of the sperm cell. So studies have shown that this acrosome is very important in a sperm cell, because if something goes wrong in acrosome, there will be a problem of fertilization. So the acrosome ensures that the sperm cell fertilizes egg. This because studies have shown that rapid change within the membrane of the egg cell of a woman can prevent the sperm cell from fertilizing the egg. So God made it in a way that this sperm cell contains this structure known as acrosome, and this acrosome contains a lot of enzymes that break down these membranes of the egg cell of a woman in order to ensure that there is no problem of fertilization. So it plays a great role in ensuring successful fertilization. The next question says, the DNA of sperm cell is found in the dash. A. Cytoplasm. B. Nucleus. C. Tail. D. None of the above. In this question, the correct answer is B. Nucleus. A sperm cell has many parts, and these parts include the nucleus, the head, the mitochondrion, the tail, and many other parts. So the nucleus of a sperm cell contains the genetic information about that sperm cell. The nucleus contains what we call DNA. DNA means deoxyribonucleic acid. This deoxyribonucleic acid contains the genes of an organism. So the DNA of sperm cell is found in the nucleus. The next question says, the substances that kill sperm cells are called dash. A. Spermicides. B. Spermatozoan. C. Spermatozoa. D. None of the above. In this question, the correct answer is A. Spermicides. These spermicides are substances that have the ability of killing sperm cells. The next question says, the discharge of sperm cells from the body of a male human is best described as dash. A. Ovulation. B. Ejaculation. C. Menstruation. D. Photosynthesis. In this question, the correct answer is B. Ejaculation. So ejaculation is the release of sperm cells from the body of an organism. So the process whereby the sperm cells are released from the body is best described as ejaculation. The next question says, which of the following affects sperm cells? A. Drugs. B. High temperature. C. Infections. D. All of the above. In this question, the correct answer is D. All of the above. There are many factors that can affect the quality and quantity of sperm cells. Studies have shown that some drugs are capable of affecting sperm cell production negatively. High temperature can also affect or damage sperm cells. When sperm cells are exposed to high temperature, the sperm cells can easily die. And research have shown that when an individual has infections, those infections can disturb or can affect sperm cell negatively. All these things are factors that can affect sperm cells. The next question says, when human sperm cells are exposed to high temperature, they will dash A. Die. B. Reproduce. C. Become motile. D. None of the above. In this question, the correct answer is A. Die. So, sperm cell production don't need high temperature. So, when sperm cells are exposed to high temperature, the high temperature will begin to kill the sperm cells. This knowledge is useful. Scientists don't joke with this while running some analysis with sperm cells. So sperm cells can easily die when they are exposed to high temperature. The next question says, which of the following is a function of seminal fluid? A. Transportation of sperm cells. B. Protection of sperm cells. C. Nourishment of sperm cell. D. All of the above. In this question, the correct answer is D. All of the above. So, there is what we call seminal fluid or semen. Seminal fluid is a fluid that is rich in sperm cells, water, and other things. And studies have shown that the sperm cells are found inside this seminal fluid. And this fluid helps the sperm cells in many ways, in the sense that the fluid helps in transportation of sperm cells. This seminal fluid also helps in protection of sperm cells, and the seminal fluid also plays a great role in nourishing the sperm cells. All these things are the roles played by seminal fluid in ensuring that the sperm cells do better or survive. The next question says, a condition whereby the seminal fluid contains few number of sperm cells below normal is best described as dash. A. Low sperm count. B. High sperm count. C. Neutral sperm count. D. None of the above. In this question, the correct answer is A. Low sperm count. So low sperm count is a situation whereby the semen or the seminal fluid contains few number of sperm cells below the expected normal. This low sperm count is a problem because it can affect the fertility of a man. Studies have shown that low sperm count can affect the fertility of a man. If this is the first time you are watching our video, if this is the first time you are joining this channel, Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel so that you will study other topics that we have treated in many of our videos. You can also drop your comments in this channel.